Hi, I'm Renee. Welcome to the Patriarosehomestead. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Today we're going to make a bacon-wrapped meatloaf. When I was traveling all over the country, I stayed in Arizona for a few seasons, and I worked at the bar and grill there, and meatloaf was always a special there. I'm going to be wrapping it in bacon. It's going to be delicious. Let's get to it. That's what they mean when they say taste the rainbow. Beautiful. Cut this onion here. I'm going to cut off the top, cut off the bottom, cut it in half. You can use Clubhouse, use saltine, Ritz, whatever cracker of your choice, or breadcrumb. To save on more baggies going into the dump, I just take an old clean jar, and use it to crush the crackers in the bowl. There we go. You can crush it as fine as you like. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Okay, so for mixing the meatloaf, we're going to need 2 pounds of hamburger meat, or you could do 1 pound of hamburger meat, 1 pound of sausage. All right, so we have the meat. We're going to add in the crackers. One cup of cheese of your choice. This is sharp cheddar. Half an onion. 1 cup of peppers. Half a teaspoon of steak seasoning, your choice on brand. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. And if you like this hotter, you can add crushed red chili flakes or, sriracha. It's your choice. Recipes are guidelines. All right, and then we're going to add 2 eggs. I'm going to check them because they are farm fresh. That looks good. That looks good. Aren't they pretty? All right. And now we're going to start mixing. And if you don't like cheese, you can leave it out. If you don't like onions, leave it out. Some people like ketchup. I don't add ketchup. I had a lot of people request me to not put ketchup on it. But if you like it, you can put it in here. If you like barbecue sauce, you can put it in here. But I personally don't. All right, that looks good. Time to wrap this pretty baby in some bacon. Want to make sure the bacon's long enough to go around. Here. Doesn't that look good? All right, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's go get this on the smoker. And with this leftover bacon, you can cut those in half and make jalapeno poppers. Check out my video on that. They're delicious. All right, here's the finished meatloaf. I said 90 minutes, but it actually took 2 hours and 15 minutes, and the last half hour I cranked it up to 400 degrees. But it looks amazing. Can't wait to sink my teeth into it.
No, Jackson. No. He says, I just want to watch.
Gonna take a bite. Mmm, so good. Mmm. A little tip: if your butter's cold, just put it in a little dish and just pour a little bit on your carrots and potatoes, and then you don't have to wait for it to melt. All right, and here's how I'm going to plate it up, or did plate it up. And we're going to let Rex do a taste test. Okay, Rexy.
All right. The dog just farted. Yes, ma'am, that's good.
Would you eat it again?
Mm-hmm. I would. I like the peppers. They're delicious.
All right. Well, that's it. Thank you for joining us, and until the next one. Hi, my name's Renee. Welcome to my kitchen on the homestead of Patriarosehomestead. Hi, I'm Renee, and welcome to the Patriarosehomestead, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make Today we're going to make a bacon wrapped meatloaf and put it out on the smoker. Sounds delicious. Who doesn't love bacon and who doesn't love meatloaf? Oh gosh.